Hey everybody, it's Mike over here at Growtopia, and finally the plants I've been waiting for months have finally arrived. Now, the fun part is unboxing. 3 boxes, 6 plants. I'm out of my mind. We're at box number 1. Yeah. Leave it on the ground. Oy vey. Cut the box and not myself. Viewer discretion, don't stab things towards your body. Ooh, I see greenery. I see greenery. Alright, here is our first plant. We're going to be making a mess. These are our lobster claw birds of paradise. Now they haven't got all the stuff on them yet. You got some deadness here, some stuff that broke in transport, but that's fine. They'll come back. Perfect time just to clean it up now while I'm at it. Put some trays down for these guys. Trays and water. I gotta find a room. Room. Banana, you're going to go over there. Get moved. You got lights, so you'll be fine. Over there. And they're 3 gallons, which is great, so that means each one gets their own tray. Okay. That out there. Off to the compost pile. Okay. We need another 8,000 trays. These trays work great. The best thing to always do with a tray before you put water in it and plant, always look into the light. If you see holes like that one, don't use it. Just double it up. Over there. Whacked in the face by a tray. You guys can actually go over here. There. 3 trays down. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's keep unboxing. I gotta get back to trying to plant corn. Funny, I stepped away for a couple minutes to take a look at something online with corn, and next thing you know, they're FedEx is here. Oh, E-box. All items I bought from fastgrowingtree.com. No, I am not sponsored by them. Unfortunately, I wish. Maybe one day in my future when I'm too old to shoot videos about plants. But these things are cool looking. They really are. So they are called fake birds, heliconias. They're a lobster claw plant. These are 3 gallons. Don't ask me how much it costs. I don't remember, nor do I want to. And I got 6 of them. Oh boy. Fox catastrophe on their hands. There might be a little mess in the hallway, by the way. There might be a gray cat that finds the soil in the hallway. What the fuck? Yeah. I'm doing the boxes here, so if you want to start taking them, you don't mind so kindly. Oh, here we go. Moment of truth. The packing slip. What did I pay for these things? What's great about fastgrowingtrees.com is, well, other than it's the only place I've ever bought stuff from and had great success, but they allow you to pay over time, which is great. So you can spend a shit ton of money and then for the rest of your existence pay it off. And the great thing of all, there's absolutely no price on here, so we'll just say it's $100 a plant. It's less than that. I don't know what it is, but it's way less than that. That's a big boy. Okay, those were small. These are like, it's like, try to get it out without breaking too much of the leaves off. Don't have to sacrifice the box. Not my fingers. Come on. My Christmas in July. Oh God, that's a heavy bitch. A little droopy there, buddy. That's alright. A couple of days in the sunlight, some water, and that's a lot of soil. So whoever packed that one. Holy moly. That's a lot of soil in there. Everybody will spring back up. Next thing you know, they're going to be like the tomato. They're going to be like the woozy goozy that we got over here on our left. Banana. Alright. There's a lot of soil in that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, Dag. Down. No, I'm not done yet. Take that. Take that. Take that. I gotta get the other one out. Yeah, it's two per box. Comes the next big boy. Oh God. Heavier than the last one. I haven't sweated my cojones off. Oh, it's freaking leaves. God, it's nice and cool in here. Now they like soil that's moist, not soggy. I'm filming. So basically you want to make sure that when you're watering them, you don't give them too much water. So just want to keep them nice and moist. It's always kind of hard to get plants in the mail. You're always going to have broken stuff, but as long as the root ball of the plant itself isn't damaged and it's still intact, it's going to come back. So always when you're buying stuff and you see it and it comes looking like shit, don't freak out. It's going to come back. It's going to come back and it's going to be stronger than the last time that you saw it looking like shit. Okay. One more box to go. Free soil. Here's a last box. I got like a tomato. That's what you're seeing right here is my tomato plant that's on that side of the room that has come this way. boy. Oh boy. You're inundated. I already am inundated. People asking me, when's the plane coming? This weekend. They're leaving. I'm getting out of here. So originally I was like, I looked at last year, I was like, well, you know, I'll take them from the nursery, I'll stick them in the greenhouse. They sit in the greenhouse. Because I looked at my old records. So my old record stated for my tomato plants and all my other plants is that as soon as they hit the top of that cover, of the dome cover, then they went to the greenhouse. Once they got to about 7 inches, they went outside. This year they're like freaking 24 freaking inches and they're still inside because Jack Frost is apparently still camping outside my house. But now Jack Frost, I think, has finally left. It's time for everybody to get the hell out of here because otherwise this is going to be a really interesting day, or interesting season. Sure. There's this one. For there. Shit. Come to me. Come to me. I need you to come to me. Can you hold the box? Hold it tighter. I think it's stuck on me. There it is. I'm going to give you all this paper, the bag. Huh? Thank God they're not 8,000 feet tall. This is like the best looking one of all. I was kind of hoping they were going to have their danglies, but I'm actually kind of glad they don't because that means that they already sprouted their flowers, and that's where you get the seeds from. There's a little more of these strange looking plants. They definitely don't light on soil. They spritz them, they bag them, they send them, I get them. Stay. Okay, another one. Woo! Man. Oh yeah, look at this. This is probably the best one out of all of them. The grand fluffy finale. Leafy, I shouldn't say. Leafy finale here. Started with this one. No, better start with this one. This one's really got some greenery on it. Look at this guy. Holy mackerel. I'll show you guys in a second once I debag it here. So my whole new fun composting activity. Look at the amount of leaf on these. Bigger than my head, almost. Alright. So being that they came nice and moist, and because they don't like to be soggy and full of a lot of water, thank you very much. I'm not going to water them today. I'm just going to put them down into the logbook that the plants have arrived. And let's see, today's Monday, so I'll take a look at them. They're basically probably going to need water in the next couple days, but I'm going to let them sit like that for now, and then from there they're going to get transferred into pots, which will be another video once I acquire some more pots, not pot. And that's it. So anyway, guys, this is Mike over here at Growtopia. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. These are fake bird hysteria, heliconias. I could be a substitute teacher any day. These are called lobster claws. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and let's see what happens with these suckers. Later.